बेटी बचाव बेटी पढाव विशयाचेर बुधवारा केरीत कार्यावळ जाली। ह्या कार्यावळीक उत्तर गोंयची जिल्लोधिकारी नीला मोहनन हाजीर आशिल्ली। RDX गोवा खातीर केरीच्यान निलेश परवार।
Not much time is required to understand how an institution functions. You start getting feelers, you start getting vibes from the time you step into the institution. In the case of your institution, the very warm welcome which was given to all the guests today, and the way we were brought inside, the way tea was served, the way the entire school has been decorated, really concerns everywhere. I'm really very happy to see the excellent backdrop made out of palm leaves here in front of the podium, even the badges. These are all small little things. It may look like small things, but it shows the commitment that this institution has to several causes. Your commitment to the cause of gender equality and women's empowerment is more than obvious, the way you are giving emphasis to Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.